IBC 2024. You know, as always, I'm looking for interesting companies with outstanding potential. I'm here now at the Bedrock booth together with Jonas, CEO. Hi.
How are you?
Great to see you. So, tell me a bit about Bedrock, please.
Yeah, thanks for coming, by the way. So I'm Jonas, Bedrock CEO, founding CEO, I should say. We're a strategic partner in the streaming space for some of the largest media companies in Europe. We have roughly 400 people across 10 countries. We build and power streaming platforms for some of the largest media companies in Europe. Everything from A to Z. We have obviously VOD content, linear channels, live events, sports, fast channels, audiobooks, podcasts. In terms of business models, we have partners who came from SVOD. We have partners who came from AVOD, and pretty much now they're all in the middle doing hybrid, right? So it's pretty cool. We operate here in Holland, by the way, Videoland. We operate M6 in France. We have RTL Plus in Hungary. We have RTL Plus Germany coming. Okay. It's a whole story in itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a very laser-focused company on streaming, basically. That's what we do all day long.
Fantastic story for Bedrock. Tell us what happened recently. Tell us some of the cool news about Bedrock.
Yeah, sure. We launched M6 Plus. This was a whole new relaunch. It encompassed adding 15, 20 new devices, lots of new features, including a podcast, for example, short form content in a vertical way, which has been a tremendous success. It also includes more fan engagement, you know, so basically during the Euro, we had lots of cool stats that kind of come out on the side. Users can engage in voting, and so it's a really cool way to just engage with the users more and give them a little bit more excitement around the games.
Yeah.
Their usage has gone like this through the roof after the launch. Now this started around football and sports, but it was so successful that we will expand it into different genres of programming. Okay. And we have other things coming, AI search, and I mean obviously we're constantly launching things for our partners on an ongoing basis.
You just mentioned on the side you're launching Germany. I mean, this is a huge market, the biggest one in Europe. Yeah. So tell me about the launch in Germany.
Yeah, so this is obviously going to keep us busy for the next 1+ years. So I guess with RTL Plus Germany, it's more than just a launch, right? We're really pooling resources. We're going to use some of the tech that exists there. It's a really nice way where we will grow bigger in terms of people, in terms of skills. You know, they have a lot of experience in streaming as well. You probably know that they are pretty focused on MPA strategies, multi-purpose. Yeah. So they have music, they have alongside of video, audiobooks, etc. So they bring a lot of that expertise, which is great. And I think it's just accelerating, I would say, the foundation of Bedrock, pooling resources. We need to have as much scale as possible. And I think adding those additional really smart streaming experts into the mix will make us even stronger. It will future-proof our business and our platform even more. So it's basically Bedrock on steroids. It's a continuation of our story.
Bedrock on steroids, I like that. So, I mean, what's the outlook for Bedrock and the industry? How do you see things developing, and how is your future looking?
Very good question. Obviously, the industry is going through turmoil. It's difficult. It's challenging times. All of that is actually kind of positive news for Bedrock, because I think it is forcing people to look at things in smarter ways. The way we've been operating in Europe on a very individual base, very focused on one country, is not necessarily the success metric for the future. So I think with the economical crunch that we have, people are rethinking how can they do things in a smarter way, how can they get more for less money, and I think that's where Bedrock really comes to light. So for us, it's a good thing. I fundamentally believe that local storytelling is really, really important. Yes. And that's also why, you know, we want to make sure that all the European players can really thrive and can really present their content in the same professional way
Yeah.
as the global players, and that's really what Bedrock is all about.
Mhm.
And I really want to be part of making sure that our kids basically will watch also European content and not just US and whatever global content. I think that's going to be quite important. I'm a
Okay.
father, so I think of that a lot. So
Same.
yeah.
So the future is bright.
Future, I think it's bright. It's a bit, difficult at times, but
You navigate the
yeah,
changes.
I think there's a bright light at the end. So I'm a positive guy. I think we're going to make it. It's going to be fine. Europe is going to survive. It's going to be good.
Cool. So, any message you want to give to the audience that's going to listen to that? I mean, we're going to publish this after IBC.
I would say come and check us out. We're friendly people and we have good tech, so it's worth a visit.
Cool. Jonas,
Thanks.
great talking with you.
you so much.
Loved it. Everybody here, thanks for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. Thank you. It really feels like an ice hockey.
I'm just waiting for the puck to come flying by here. Yeah, exactly. That's the next one. Really nice.
How late was
Late.
it? We're not going to move the time now.
No. That's not what I'm getting at.
Stuntman! Can you zoom in on Julia for a second?